Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, and a review on nail polish. And before I continue, I want to say I'm sorry, but my sound cut off from this video. So let's get started, and it's going to be on the Paris Hilton Life is Beautiful 6-piece nail polish set, and it looks like this. So this is the back of the box, and it just has like the ingredients, and it tells you what it has, that it's like paraben free, gluten free, it's vegan, cruelty free, all of that. It has it stated here in the back. So again, as you guys can see, the ingredients, and then this is the sticker that it has. It can be kind of hard to take it off when you're unboxing it because it's like double layer, but once you do, you get into it. And here are the 6-piece of nail polish by Paris Hilton. So the shades range from like a very nude color to, it has 2 glitters, and then the rest have a little bit of glitter in it. Some of the glitter, you can tell it's more glittery in a way. The other ones have the glitter a little bit more muted. And from all of those, it seems that 1, 2, 3 of them are a little bit more pink. The other 2 seem a little bit deeper pink, and then 1 is just pure glitter. And I do apologize about my voice. I am sick, so just bear with me, guys. So here all I'm doing is that I'm trying to take the nail polish out of their container just to show them a little bit to you guys, because I'm going to start swatching them. So I'm going to get this Kleenex and I'm going to fold it again, and then I'm going to start doing swatches here with all the nail polish. The first one is this pink nude type of color that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to start off with this one, and the nail polish have the smell of any other nail polish. The shade for this one, like I said, it's like a muted pink. It's very cute. This one is just pure glitter. This next one is a little bit purple mixed with pink. This one is a little bit of hot pink with glitter. So this one is supposed to be purple with glitter. This one's a little bit deeper pink. And these are all of them swatched on this Kleenex for you guys. They do look exactly as they are in the bottle, apart from this one. This one does not look exactly like it looks in the bottle. In the bottle it looks purple with a little bit of glitter. The Kleenex, when I swatched it, it looked brown. So here I am swatching them on my own nails. Don't mind my cuticles. I just want to show you guys how they look from the bottle to swatching it in a napkin to swatching it on your actual nails. So far, this is how they're looking on my nails when I'm applying all the nail polish. So here I'm going to be comparing my nail shade to the actual napkin swatches. So far, the nail swatches that I did on my nail are matching the shade exactly as I also did them on the napkin. So the final review for all of this, guys, is that I would give it a 9.5 out of 10. The only reason I would give it a 9.5 out of 10 is because of this nail polish right here. So I was really disappointed with this one. I thought Paris did a really good job with the rest of them, but this one, I expected it to look as it does in the bottle. The other ones came out exactly like they look in the bottle. This one didn't at all. So as you can see, when I swatched it on my nail, it looks like a little bit of glitter with brown. But in the actual bottle, it looks purple with glitter, and it was not purple with glitter. So I tried to apply more and more layers to this one, and it just looks like a little bit of brown. with some glitter in it. I don't really see the purple with kind of like the hollow brown glitter mixed into it. I just see kind of clear. All of these other ones are really pretty. Like, I really liked all of those. So that's why I was kind of like disappointed that the other one didn't show as it was in the bottle. But now I'm kind of thinking here, what if we use that one that looks kind of purplish but isn't, it's more brown, and use it as a top coat instead of using it as a regular color just like the other ones. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do with this one. I'm going to try and apply it on top of one of the other ones that I had done. So on top of this kind of like pink purple fuchsia is where I'm going to apply it as a top coat. So I'm showing you guys here, and let's see if it's going to pop up well. And now I see that it looks pretty like this. So you guys can definitely use it as a top coat because it does make a little bit more of a hollow effect on it. So as a top coat, it's a go. But if you're just using it by itself like the other nail polishes, it's not going to show up, and you're not going to see it at all. So here I'm just going to show you a color that reminds me of Barbie, and it's this one. This one is very cute, like very glittery, very Barbie kind of nail polish. And of course Paris likes pink, so she is kind of like a Barbie. So I think that's what was like her theme for this, because this one has pink with a little bit of glitter. This one again is pink but lighter pink with a little bit of glitter in it. And then this one's kind of like a nude pink. It doesn't have glitter. This one is like a fuchsia kind of pink purple one. This one is the purple with the glitter that didn't show up. Another thing that I really liked is Paris Hilton's logo. It's very cute. It's very Paris. Also, I really like this box, like the whole kind of lace flower. It's very Paris again. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.